Have you ever dreamed of making amazing videos using your own AI avatar? Well, guess what? I made one, and I'm letting him take over from here for some time to explain today's topic.
Hey techies, I'm Ziv, your virtual guide from TechizVibe. In the last two videos, you learned how to create your own AI avatar image and animate it like a pro. But today, we're taking it one step further. I'm gonna show you how to give me, yes, this face, a real voice using ElevenLabs and how to lip sync it perfectly.
Today, we are using ElevenLabs for that realistic voice and DreamFace to make the lip sync perfectly. Ready for the magic? Let's dive in. First, head over to ElevenLabs and click on Login. Once you are in, go to Text to Speech from the sidebar. Now, just type in your script. Choose your favorite AI voice. I'm picking Anthony and hit Generate Speech. You get 10,000 free credits to start with, and it uses around 435 credits per speech. When the audio is ready, simply hit Download. Easy, right? Now it's time to bring your AI avatar to life. First, open your video editor. I'm using Clipchamp. Import the animated avatar video you created using Runway ML and also add the audio you generated from ElevenLabs. Place the audio below the video in the timeline and line them up properly. Add a few smooth transitions to make it look more dynamic. Once you're happy with the timing and flow, go ahead and export the video. And that's it for this part. Now let's head over to DreamFace to lip sync your avatar to the voice. Upload the video you just created. Once it is uploaded, click on Audio in the left side. You can either upload an audio file or a video file. So I'm uploading the same video so that its voice will be taken. As we are using free version of DreamFace, only 30-second video can be lip synced at a time. You can generate 10 videos a day, so I'm trimming it a little. Then click on Generate. In Creations, you can see the video getting generated. Once it is completed, check it and download it. There are watermarks of Runway and DreamFace on the video. You can either mask it or zoom and crop to avoid the watermark. Or you can use pro versions. Want to try these tools for yourself? I have got special affiliate links in the description that will get you started. Check those out to support the channel. If this helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more quick AI video tricks. Drop your questions or the tools you want me to test next down below. See you in the next one. Thank you.